Folks, Seoul, South Korea. Lots of places to eat here in this little corner, this neck of the woods. Seafood, barbecues, real Korean barbecue. Did I go to a fake one? But on top of food, there's also something else you need when you visit a city, and that's a place to stay. You know where I'm going with this. Yes, I'm staying at the Star Guest House One Room Tel. I don't exactly know what that means, but that's where I'm staying. And it's time for a 5-ish minute review for you. Okay, I'm sort of in the City Hall area of Seoul. City Hall Metro is a 5-minute walk from where I'm staying, which is pretty close to here. And as you can see, there's plenty going around. So location wise, I'm just up here. Here is a GS25. It's a convenience store, so if I need to grab anything, I do not have far to go. City hot chicken here. Lots of beers on tap. Pasta, wine salad, and shrimps in a creamy sauce coming out of bread. So wherever you go, you're going to find stuff. You're going to find good eating. Okay. Now here, this is the building, which is admittedly easy to miss. Star Guest House One Room Tel is here. You've got two other ones, Hotel 8 Hours, Hotel Irene City. We are on the 5th floor. If you've seen my review of the place I stayed at in Busan, the Almond Hotel, you would remember I was curious as to the fact there is no 4th floor. Well, in this hotel there is a 4th floor. It's just not labelled floor 4. It's labelled floor F, if you can F and believe that. No, it's free. It's okay. So just to prove to you, Star Guest House, floor 5. Hotel Irene City, F, floor F. Front desk, I don't know if that's why it's floor F, it's just floor F. So keep away that number 4. You know what I'm talking about. 4. Okay, this doesn't make any sense. Actually, in Japanese, the number 4 is known as yon and shi, but they don't say shi because it refers to death. Welcome to Star Guest House One Room Tel. All good? It's just this floor, and there are some facilities, so we might check them out. It's a no shoe kind of place. I will show you here. Guests can use the washing machine between 1 and 11 p.m. So there you go, there's a washing machine and a dryer. You can get your laundry done here and they don't charge you for it. And if you lose your sock, they hang it up for you. And hopefully you find it. And that happened to me. And I got the sock back. I thought they were going to use this as a hostage. They were going to go, don't move, Andrew, or the sock gets it. So over here I want to show you more facilities before we check out the room, because it's got a tiny small kitchen here, but nevertheless it's useful if you just want to cook yourself up some noodles or something. It's got a couple of hot plates, It's got a bug killer. Haven't really seen any bugs. Microwave, rice cooker, and you can get filtered water. I didn't realise that. And you can keep your stuff in the fridge if you like. You've got to label it, of course. So water warning, this is a budget option. This is a budget hotel, and it's pretty close to being almost a hostel, except that there are no dorms. You thought I was going to go to the room this time, didn't you? I know you did. Crikey, that's a big step. But who doesn't like a room with a rooftop view? Well, a hotel with a rooftop view. Well, a guest house. Well, yes, shut up, Andrew. Here we go. Glorious. And so there's access to this wonderful spot up here. Tables and chairs. And ashtrays too, for those who like to smoke of you. So this is a bit of a bonus too, isn't it? It's nice when you get a few bonuses. Now we are going downstairs to check out my room. And I do have to warn you, it's not big. And also while I'm up here, it's a much better place to tell you about the essentials. I book through Agoda, as I often do. And it cost me just over 50 Australian dollars, so probably about 33, 34 US dollars at the moment. Not sure what the price is in won. I booked about a week before, so you can probably get a cheaper price if you book further in advance, would be my guess. Down there you can see you've got 1, 2, 3, you've got 6 on this side and 5 on that side. And then there's more down here again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now there is a room 504, but thankfully I don't want to push the luck. So here we are. Welcome to my inverted commas room. Okay folks, this is it. The end. Well, let me show you. Here we go. We've got my bed. There isn't room service as far as I know. They haven't cleaned my room yet, so I'm not expecting that to start anytime soon. Here is, I've got a toilet with a special seat that probably warms and does stuff. I have not experimented. I don't intend to. You've got a little basin, and there's a shower there. Now the simple fact is that shower is pointed directly at the toilet. So you have to sort of time things, because you have to let the floor dry after you shower. Otherwise, yeah, you'll be in a bit of trouble. But you know, look, it is what it is. It's a small budget room. There is an air conditioner and a reverse cycle, I should say, and that should give us a heating if we were to need it. But at the moment the temperature is such I don't need either, so that's good. It does come with a fridge, and I kind of feel like the fridge is a little unnecessary. And it just sort of takes up room space. And then you've got the bed over here, which is, it's a little soft. It's a little soft, and it's a little creaky. Case in point. Yeah, probably shouldn't make those noises when you get into bed, but you know what, it's supported me so far. So anyways, look, I've shown you everything there is to see. I probably wouldn't have booked it if I'd known it was going to be quite this small. It really is small. Hey, you do get your own Wi-Fi router though, and of course this is Korea, so Wi-Fi is super duper quick. So that's a thumbs up.
kitchen area, free laundry, find that hard to beat. And the reception staff are actually pretty kind. They don't really speak any English, but they do, they'll use Google Translate and they'll help you out, and they seem to care. And I think that's a big plus, because it's not necessarily my consistent experience in Korea in any sort of service industry. Yeah, not everyone cares. Anyway, that's that. That's the room. My opinions are that for $50 a night, you can probably do worse. You know, I just would have liked a bit more space. I would have liked the shower completely separate from the toilet. But you know, when you're only paying $50 in a huge city like Seoul, this represents pretty decent value for money. Would I choose it again? I probably fork out a little bit more money, to be honest, to get just a slightly more comfortable room. But I'm not complaining. I knew it was going to be a small room when I booked it. I just wasn't quite aware of how small. Such is life, c'est la vie. Thank you very much for watching this 5-ish minute review of the Star Guest House One Room Motel. Thank you very much for watching this 5-ish minute review of the Star Guest House One Room Motel here in Seoul. Don't forget to click like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate it. It helps the channel to grow, it really does. And thanks for watching, and take care wherever you are in the world right now. May the journey never end.